Truth is, we don't really talk that much, but when we do talk, we laugh about funny stuff. Like, in math class, we laugh a lot about your loud claps. And,
You're not cool.
your hair is, like, gorgeous. I love it. And the nose piercing thing, good idea. Your turn.
True is, well, I don't know you very well, but I remember once upon a time I trick or treated with you. Like we were the Lake Landis and stuff. I don't know if you remember that. We trick or treated. That was pretty fun. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
Bye, Kayla.